Hello and welcome to a Boffix Explains video. On Wednesday a mini budget was announced and we're going to have a look at what that effects is going to have to us small businesses, especially when it comes to furloughed. The furlough scheme has been absolutely brilliant for us small businesses, but one of the things that it's obviously doing is it's costing the country a lot of money. As of midnight, June the 28th, it cost 25.5 billion. And as Rishi said in his speech, there is no way that that's going to be sustainable going forward. Rishi did explain that people are still anxious about people losing their jobs, but at the same time, we need to provide support, and we also need to make sure that from a country point of view, we can make it sustainable in terms of what's going to happen going forward. So in essence, the furlough scheme will wind down. It's going to wind down flexibly and slowly. So let's have a consideration of what that impact's going to be. First of all, we know that from July 1st, we're going to have the opportunity to bring back staff on a flexible furlough basis. From August 1st, we're going to see that it's going to reduce the amount that you're going to be able to claim back from the government if you are claiming furlough for your staff. This will be done with the reduced amount you'll be able to claim for the pension and national insurance. And then from the 1st September, we're going to see that come down even further because the amount that the government's going to pay back is going to be reduced from the 80% we've already been experiencing down to only 70%. And then by October, we'll see a further reduction and effectively only 60% will be paid back. And then by the end of October, the scheme will be closed completely. But to counter that, there was also an announcement of a job retention bonus, effectively incentivising the fact that small businesses and businesses alike can have the opportunity to bring back a staff member. There'll be a bonus payment or a bonus amount to reclaim that's going to help you subsidise those costs. If you're an employee and you bring back a furloughed member of staff and continuously employ them all the way till January, then the government will actually pay out for you. And that incentive is £1,000. And that incentive is £1,000 bonus per employee. Also announced was a Kickstart Scheme with the ability to actually incentivise you as an employer to actually take on new employees. Crucially, these employees have to be brought on at the national minimum wage and for at least 25 hours a week, and for those 16 to 24-year-olds. For the first 6 months, the government will pay for those wages. There's also a £2,000 incentive to hire apprentices. Furthermore, there's been a VAT cut of 20% to 5% to anyone that's partaking in accommodation, food or attractions. Starting next Wednesday, 15th of July 2020, all the way to 12th of January 2021. This could potentially be a £4 billion catalyst that the government has announced and should affect around 150,000 businesses, while also affecting 2.4 million jobs. Finally, if the Eat Out to Help Out initiative affects your business and it's something you can claim for, do make sure you keep an eye out for the application and do make sure you take advantage of it. And that's it, a quick rundown of what was announced by the Chancellor. If you have any questions at all, please do get in contact with us at Boffix, and we're always here to be able to make sure we can answer your questions. Hopefully you found that video useful. Please comment below, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.